Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your PayPal business account as a payment gateway or payment method over to your Shopify account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the cool thing about this is when you guys go to set up your Shopify store, by default, it already sets PayPal account as a payment method. But assuming that you guys want to configure it manually or connect it to your main business account or something else, then I'll be showing you just how to do that. So the first thing that you guys need to do is once you have your Shopify store opened as an administrator, you want to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen where you find the option that says settings. So it's this one right here. We're simply going to click on it like so. And you'll see that between the users and permissions and checkout page or checkout tab, there's an option that says payments. So we're going to click on this. And here is where you'll get to configure your PayPal setup. So as you can see here, I have mine registered, but the setup is incomplete. So to set up your PayPal business account, you either want to click on add payment method if that isn't already there, type PayPal, but since mine is there, actually let's wait for this to load. Okay, so here's the other method, but we're just gonna skip that, go back, and finish our setup for PayPal. So from here, you guys would want to click on complete setup, like so. And it's going to redirect you to this page right here where you'll basically go through a series of steps to verify your PayPal account. So just do what it says, go through this CAPTCHA, I guess. Here we are. And here we are on this page. So once you guys are through the setup, basically just follow the on-screen instructions, put down your details, fill in the info accordingly. So I'm just going to do that off screen real quick, be right back. So once you guys are through this whole setup process, you'd want to make sure that, now this is important, you want to make sure that this option's checked or ticked. So both of these two, and the reason for that is because we're going to integrate PayPal's functions over to our Shopify as a payment gateway. So you can read here, you also give permission to Shopify to perform the necessary actions to integrate PayPal with your store. And when you click on agree and continue, but I'm actually not gonna do that because I'm just doing a video, you guys should be done. So yeah, that's how you do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.